Hey guys, just wanted to mention a few things about a new product, or so to speak, channel that most brokers aren't aware of, and something that you might want to participate in with MLB. You may have heard of it called Mini-Corr. You may have heard of it called non-delegated or correspondent lending. But as long as you have a warehouse line of your own, it's something that you can participate in with us. And what does that mean for you? What's the positives of doing something like this? Well, the first and the biggest positive, I think, is it's a great marketing tool. Everything comes to your borrowers with your names on it. There's no mention of MLB in the transaction because technically you're the lender in this transaction. You get all the perks and benefits of being the lender while still mitigating risk because you're dealing with us to work the back end stuff for you. What I mean by back end, basically all the disclosures, setting up your fee structure, underwriting the loan just like you would in a current broker world that you are in right now. You get all those perks and benefits, but you can take on some of those if you want on your own, which can help you in just the general costs of loan. The other thing that Mini-Corr or non-delegated lending does is it allows you to structure your compensation slightly different. Whereas in the past, and even right now, you're stuck at 2 3/4, which is fine, and you can even stay that way. You have the ability to play around with it. So if you wanted to charge a point in the front on an origination point, you can. You can also do back end point structuring too to actually go over that 2 3/4 that you're typically used to right now, as long as it doesn't have any issues with compliance and the loan can handle the extra fees that you're attaching to it. But it at least gives you a new way of selling your loans that you may not be acquainted with. But if you are, you can give us a call. We can walk you through the process. The only caveat is you do have to have your own warehouse line to actually fund these loans, but we'll be buying those loans directly from you. Basically, the rest of the transaction is typical to what you're used to, maybe even a little less on your shoulders if you want it that way. So give us a call today and let's talk about Mini-Corr. Bye.